The question, who is my father and mother? My father, the name is Roelio. Roelio. My father is Roelio Jr. de la Cruz Pagal. My mother is Rosalia de la Cruz Nieves. Got the Nieves and Pagal. New baby born. In me is the first child in 1997, 21 December. Me is the original Rolly Nieves de la Cruz. Rolly de la Cruz Nieves. Captain Nieves. Only the middle initial is disappearing. The same with the connection of the stomach. Only the last name. The line of the father is important, not the line of my mother, because the life is from the line of my father. Discipline. Music. Giving the peace of mind. Not a nonsense word. Always I hear it. My father, Roel Jr. de la Cruz Pagal. My mother, Rosalia de la Cruz Nieves. And me, Roel de la Cruz Nieves. The second child is Rosel de la Cruz Nieves. The third child is Cindy de la Cruz Nieves. The fourth child is Chris de la Cruz Nieves. The fifth is the Ros Angeli de la Cruz Nieves. The sixth is Mark Angel de la Cruz Nieves. All the maiden initial is disappearing. Only the father line. That is the word of no human being. Study and work. Not the nonsense people talking to me. I do not want to hear you thinking, because that is the word of the dying. That is the question. The music instrument determining the new life, new baby born. Singing. Connection of the stomach. This. Connection of the stomach. You play when you are in the 10 months process. So the movie later, I sing the good ways of who I am. I did not joking.